Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. What's going on? What's going on? Another day in the markets. Today it is Thursday, July 25th, 2019. We're just flying through July like crazy. Anyway, we got what did we see yesterday in the markets? SPY actually had a nice run, closing just shy of a point and a half. After the opening bell, dipped down just a bit and found some nice support and just rocketed, putting in higher highs and higher lows all day long. Closed very strong. Obviously had some action after hours, some more action pre-market today, and so it's looking strong overall. Looking like it may open up strong and continue. Obviously, reclaiming that 300 level yesterday was quite significant. So if it keeps defending that level, then we're going to see some more runs to the upside. Obviously, you can see a lot of chatter yesterday after hours. A lot of obviously it's earnings season. Tesla got just cracked on yesterday, just got dumped out. We had a reversal in Netflix yesterday as well. Anyway, let's get into it. So we got 6-1 into our session. We're gonna kick it off with MDB. As always, how we feel about MDB right now. Pulled back to its 50-day on the daily, held it quite nicely. Definitely, it closed a little weaker than expected. Had some action after hours and just kind of few trades here and there this morning pre-market. But definitely this is a level that it pulls back to and holds and has a nice bounce from. So if we see that obviously following through, then you know where it's going to be headed. So again, we're still adamant on our bullish sentiment for MDB if it gives more action to the upside. Roku actually also had a pretty nice day, closing just shy of 3 points to the upside. Um, it's definitely defending its level, putting in that curl after hours and pre-market as well. So let's see what happens with this thing. Obviously it's got all eyes on this 110 level, 112 level, this all-time high. We're going to see obviously how the sentiment is after the bell rings and dust settles. But we are bullish on Roku for now to that 110, 112 level. NVDA. Had also a nice run yesterday, closing 3 points to the upside. As you can see, it pretty much lived above VWAP all day long. Had that pullback. VWAP held nicely, nice little bounce, and just curled up. Closed very, very strong to the upside. So that's definitely a nice indication. Obviously, you can see some profit taking after hours, and pre-market have some more action. But we definitely like this continuation. We have a 180 price target. We're gonna see it. Excuse me. So it's definitely extended. That being said, we think it's not done yet. So obviously, if it holds VWAP, it holds this bounce again for day two, then we like it to the upside. Baba. Baba, obviously, we have another 180 price target for these guys. Had a pretty so-so day yesterday. Pretty much traded sideways. I mean, as you can see, you have this pretty strong flag pattern, bull flag right here. Pull back, bounce. Very typical move. Continued a little bit of action after hours. Pre-market selling off a little bit. We are bullish on it, so we're going to see how this thing holds after VWAP. I mean, after the bell and the dust settles, and it definitely starts to trade above VWAP and holds VWAP. Then we're going to see some more continuation to the upside. So we got going on. Tesla, as you can see, just got killed last night on earnings, and it's pretty much fading out right now. Initially, we were 270 price target, but obviously that sentiment has changed. We have, as you can see, you have the 50-day below it, which is trading at 221. Right now, it's at 233. And when this thing moves, it moves quite nicely. There's a lot of nervous bag holders right now, that's for sure. So, there's going to be some continued selling pressure if these guys want to, just cut their losses and, just call it quits. So look for some continued fading today into market. And Netflix obviously fought back. They had their 9-day run to the downside. And that, obviously market clearly changed, put that floor in, and it traded nicely just above 10.5 points to the upside. So it had a nice run yesterday. So it's going to see if it's going to continue, obviously holding that bullish sentiment and start moving north. It has to continue holding this level, otherwise, you're going to have some obviously continued selling pressure to the downside. So if it holds these levels and continues to migrate north, then obviously you see the sentiment from the street and everybody is going to be hopping on board. But let's just got to sit back and wait, see what's going to happen with these guys. after the bell, after the dust settles. So that's what we got going on, guys. We got 6 into our session, and as always, if you want to see how we're doing it, how we're trading these stocks, how we're building our watches, trading the same stocks over and over again, getting very intimate with what we do, come check out the site at thestreettrading.com. We'll sort you out on the 90-day course, get you profitable, answer that question, why? Consistency, guys. Build that confidence in you. As always, guys, reach out to us. We're here for you. Give us a call, shoot us an email, whatever is good for you, and we will connect and get you going. All right, as always, guys, how we always say, be very patient with setup, be patient with price, and always respect your stops. Do not fall in love with any security. Make your money and get the fuck out. All right, guys, have a great day in the markets, and we will check you later.